Hello, this is Big Boss Rescue Chief of Humane Emergency Animal Rescue. Welcome to our series, Animal Rescue Postmortem, where we analyze the good, the bad, and the ugly of animal rescues throughout the world.
Volume 4, Postmortem 20. Here we have a moose that's trapped under all of these cut logs here. At least it looks like it's partially collapsed on top of it from this video here. And then you're going to have them come in with this piece of logging equipment. I mean, it may just be where it slipped under here and its legs caught, but they're going to have this logging equipment come through here. Goodness, what are they using as? Like an excavator? Yes. This is amazing that they pulled this off. Being able to do this without causing the injuries is a pretty good thing here. So I'm watching this with you. I've seen this before, but it's been a while since I've seen it. Yeah, it looks like because of the slope angle there, that even when it's not trapped under actual logs, that it's just having a hard time getting footing there. Yeah, now I think is where they actually grab it by this arm here. I don't know what to call that thing. I've only seen videos of this logging equipment here. There's not a lot to add to this video in terms of how the rescue's performed here. You want to keep the logs from piling back over on top of the animal. They did that as rapidly as possible with clearly was probably the best piece of equipment for it. And then of course, here we go. They're just about to get that device in place. And then this animal's like, nah, I think I got another plan. So they're preventing the logs from coming back onto the animal. And they're going to try to use that excavator to get it out. Or that arm. The grapple? I think it's a grapple. And so now when you're using a piece of hydraulic equipment like this to be messing around with an animal, there's always the potential for crushing the animal. So I might have just tried to encourage it to run up the hillside here and push on it on its right side to move it in that direction, because it looks like it's hard to tell. This slope might be, this low angle slope here might be less of an angle than this is, and this looks pretty steep. It's hard to say. But it's still in a predicament here. It might have been fighting, and so it's tired. But I'm imagining at this point, as long as if it keeps trying to get up in this direction here, it's going to run into the same problem. But and it's off. So that's pretty awesome. Hey, there's not much to say about it. You know, I keep forgetting to rate these videos like 5 or whatever. This whole series, I think I forgot to rate the videos. This is a 5-star rating to me, a 5 out of 5. These guys did a great job. They didn't injure the animal. At least it doesn't appear that they did. They kept it from getting the logs from collapsing back on top of it. Job well done. Happily ever after. So look down below. You'll see the email address for your video suggestions. Video suggestions only. We don't answer any emails over there. We only look for content every once in a while. Contact us through our website contact form. Sign up for our blog notifications on the homepage. That way when we send out a new blog of organization updates, video announcements, or product reviews, etc., whatever we have, you'll get a notification. We don't spam your inbox with animal adoptions. Other organizations do that. You can go over there, whichever one it happens to be. If you want to find out what animals are for adoption, we don't do adoptions. We do emergency animal rescue only. And then we won't spam you with donation requests. We figure if you want to donate to us, you'll go over to the website, or you'll figure out how to make a donation to the organization. Also, there's a wish list over there. Check that. You might be able to help us out with something. Remember, we're in Broward, Florida. So if your fire department has a piece of equipment to donate, that's where we're located. And then something for everybody's budget. Go to YouTube, subscribe to our channel. It's free. And then like the video, share the video on your social media, and encourage other people to do the same. Remember, these videos are about improving the profession of animal rescue. This is geared towards people who are expected to go out and do emergency animal rescues. We're not talking about adopting dogs and cats. That's not what we consider rescue. That's adoptions, not rescuing an animal. And then what else? I've got the YouTube channel over there that I covered. Make sure you leave a comment down below there if you're on YouTube. We like the interaction. And then the best thing for me to say is thank you for supporting what we're doing here. Share these with your animal welfare professionals if you think that they can benefit from it, because we're trying to help people who have that. That's what their job task is. All right. We want to make sure that we elevate the profession so that people are trained properly, and that they have the right mindset. They think as a first responder, because that's what this is. A human emergency is an animal emergency. If a trained person doesn't show up to effect the rescue, untrained people will, therefore causing possibly a human emergency, because they've got themselves into a predicament they can't get themselves out of. So now it's an animal and a human emergency. All right, you get the point and the mindset. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching our videos and your support. This is Big Boss saying that we will see you in the next video.